Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium. Ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met. Ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Tumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Let us take up question number 1. Minister in charge, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 1, A, B, and C. Sir, the department has no records of the speech made by the chief guest on the occasion. So far, 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematoriums have been constructed across the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Meghalaya is a secular state. The state respects the religious sentiments and practices of each and every community living in the state. In this context, Mr. Speaker, sir, cremation of the mortal remains of the dead is the religious practice of the community believing in the indigenous faith, namely Nyam Khasi and Nyam Tenrai. With the advent of the eco-friendly crematorium by late Campbell Shulai of Saint Rai Jowai, the environmental hazard, including the stench emanating from the process of cremation, are eliminated. The requirement of firewood drastically reduced, and the time taken to complete the process of cremation significantly reduced. May I know from the Minister, was it the fact that the department, after having seen the practical effectiveness of the eco-friendly crematorium, entered into a memorandum of understanding with Saint Rai Jowai in 2011 and adopted the copyright technology for implementation of the eco-friendly crematorium across the state?
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, a memorandum of agreement was entered into between the Saint Rai Jowai and the Saint Rai Saint Kersu Klokendrin for the construction of these eco-friendly crematorium, which were designed by late Campbell Shulai. And this agreement was made and entered into on the 13th of February 2019, sir.
Sir, from the reply of the Minister, it appears that so far 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematorium have been constructed across the state. May we know the cost of each eco-friendly crematorium that were constructed?
So, there were 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematorium which were constructed over the years, sir. And the location of these, I'll just read out the names of the locations, sir. It was in Meemintudu and Thadmudlong villages in the year 2009-2010, and the cost of this was rupees 15,43,564. Sir, in the year 2011 and 12, there were two crematoriums which were constructed, sir, in the villages Sabah, Muswang and Pasie villages, sir. And the cost of this was at rupees 20,50,000. So there were total of 15 numbers which were constructed between the year 2012 and 13, sir. And these were in Mukha Yalong, Minkrem, Padu, Yalong and Lasken Nongkanri villages in West Gentia Hills, in East Gentia Hills in Clariat, in East Khasi Hills, Lumparing, Losutun, Nongkrem, Marbisu, Rangkaliang and Waken, in Southwest Khasi Hills in Nonglang and Rangblang, and in Riboy district, sir, in Bernihart. So I don't have the cost of this, of these particular eco-friendly crematoriums, sir, but they were funded under the 12th Finance Commission, sir. Then in the year 2013-14, there were 7 numbers of crematoriums which were constructed in West Gentia Hills in Mintkung and Konchnong villages, 1 number in Nongpo in Riboy district, 1 number in Mawlam in East Khasi Hills, 1 number in Shaid, Oid in Southwest Khasi Hills, and 2 numbers in West Garo Hills in the Hindu Shamshan Bhumi Committee, Tura, and the Phulbari Shamshan Mandir Committee in Phulbari, sir. 7 numbers in total in the year 2013 and 14. I do not have the costing for this either, sir, but these were also constructed under the 13th Finance Commission Award, sir.
Sir, may I know from the Minister whether implementation of these eco-friendly crematorium on the ground could be carried out without any hurdles? If not, has the concerned government administrative machinery timely intervened on such matter, like the case of Minso, where NOC is still awaited till date?
Sir, I do not have the records pertaining to this particular crematorium, sir, and sir, I'll require notice for that.
Sir, considering the fact that Meghalaya is a secular state, do the government agree that it is an injustice that the community belonging to the indigenous faith that they would have to approach the court of law for space or NOC to complete the religious practice of cremation of the mortal remains of the dead in their own state?
Sir, as a government, sir, we do not have any bias, and for us all religions are equal, sir. And if there are any grievances pertaining to availability of land in terms of NOC, sir, we will examine the matter and get it resolved, sir.
My last question, sir. Will the department continue to fund for implementation of such eco-friendly crematorium in all districts of the state, and also ensure that government machinery will effectively intervene on matters relating to successful implementation of these eco-friendly crematorium?
Sir, as was mentioned by the Honorable Member from Mawlam, sir, that these eco-friendly traditional crematoriums, sir, they have many benefits, sir. And for us as a department, sir, we have been supporting the construction of these crematoriums in the past, and thereby, sir, 26 numbers of such eco-friendly crematoria were constructed in different parts of the state, sir. And we are very much keen, sir, to see that more such crematoria can be put up in different parts of the state, sir. However, sir, as we all know, sir, that this is strictly as per availability of funds, sir. And as and when funds are made available, sir, we will definitely consider the setting up of more crematoria across the state, sir.
Thank you, sir.